Alright, Jamaica Good Life, good morning, afternoon, good day, me know say, yeah, all different type of country and
We know
different
Nick,
time
you look
zone.
like fear teeth and white off.
Anyways, Jamaica Good Life. Alright, my name is Nicolas Clarke, we have a legendary,
Randy Pottinger,
yeah man,
the
nice,
most awesome in the world.
nice to meet you sir, welcome to the show.
Big like you see in words.
Nice man, nice. Well Jamaica, Good Life, we just want to know a little about people because at the end of the day, everybody have a story. So, Mr. Pottinger, tell us a little about yourself, sir.
Alright, born 1973, Manchester, Jamaica, grew up in Portland, St. Mary, Spanish Town, grew up in Kingston, grew up in Clarendon, and me up in
Yes.
Buff Bay, Kildare, and Clarendon.
So you know a lot of places in Jamaica.
I grew up for 14 years before going to the States, lots of different places, yeah.
Nice. So you left to the United States, right?
Yes.
Beautiful.
At
So
age
so
14.
so what entices you to come back here after so many years? What motivates you to come here back? Because you have left here. What motivates you to come back here?
Well, when I went to the States is when I fell in love with Jamaica. I lived in the States from 14 onwards, and I realized that's when I recognized Jamaica.
Oh, funny.
I recognized Jamaica for the beauty, the culture, the vibes, the
Yes.
energy.
Yes.
So may I say, it's a
Yes.
godly place.
Yes.
Nature is a godly example. It
Yes.
speaks, the frog them from this end, where I grew up in Norway, Manchester, they would say, and then a whole billion of them, I'm say, yo, nature, speak to me. When I left for the States, nature stopped speaking to me. So the voice of the Almighty stopped. So I knew something was missing in my life.
Yes, I understand that.
So I came back to Jamaica to start filming. I walked off my job. My people thought I was crazy. What's wrong with this boy? I'm losing a connection with life.
Yes.
So I'm going to walk off of my job
Yes.
and I say, you know what? I'm going to save Jamaica.
So you're following your heart.
I follow the spirit, yeah.
Nice. And following your heart, it will help others to see what is really going on in Jamaica itself. Most people in the United States, in other countries, they gone and said, boy, them now come back and something. So what is your encouragement to them as you come back here and being there and feel the difference and you still have to come back a yard to see what go on? Then you tell them now what really motivates you to come back here, beside of everything we are talking, the crime, the violence and everything.
Well, let's make it simple. Why do tourists come to Jamaica? So imagine that. Everybody from all over the world, you say Jamaica, they think healing, they think betterment, they think sunshine, they think beauty, they think paradise. We Jamaicans been bombarded with, oh my gosh, Jamaica is too much violence.
Yes.
You see?
Yes.
So now we're running away from our country and they're running to our country. Now China is here and I know they're protected in the hotels and such, but one thing about Jamaican people is if you have a little girl in Trenchtown going to school or a school teacher,
Yes.
why would I as a big strong man afraid to come back on my yard? If I see a child going in a country, why would a big strong man, and because I'm strong, I'm tough, I'm fearless, I say, I'm not going to leave my yard because somebody tell me, say, one man dead over there, so somebody get shot, them rob some people.
So you won't let fear interfere with you being back to where you want to be. Fear is out of it.
I had an old grandmother. She wasn't religious, she was spiritual. You know what she always said?
Yes.
We know them say, God fearing. But she said to me, Randy, God loving. We don't know the fear thing. She said to me, fear is of the devil. I said, boy, if you fear nothing in your life, me will lick it out of you. So my grandmother teach me not to fear. When rain fall and breadfruit tree wet, boy, go climb breadfruit tree and go feed the hog then. What I'm going to show you something is we are taught to fear from even religious context. And even if you study African religion, the first thing when you grow up as a man, what them do, tie a whisper on your foot and throw you off of one tree. That's true, right? So in African culture, this fearmonger thing So me grew up fearless. My brother used to send me go climb the wet breadfruit tree. And me him send for everything.
Yes.
So me did fearless. Me a maroon. Me grew up in a St. Mary maroon, Portland maroon town, Manchester maroon, the hidden ones you call we.
Yeah.
So we don't fear nothing.
Nothing at all.
We don't fear God. We love God.
God.
We don't know the fear thing.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
So when the man tell me about, I say, all right, now go give them a program to make them fall in love with Jamaica.
Yes.
The media in Jamaica is also to be blamed.
Yeah.
How much time on TV or radio, they might tell you, oh, good news today. There was a twin in Montego Bay, they look beautiful. How much time news give you good news? All your life you hear who
Bad
dead,
news.
who get shot,
Bad news.
who get robbed,
Bad
the
news.
dirty scammer them, this. So I say, I'm going to create a program that is beautiful, show the fruits them, show the river. Me not
Show
go
nature.
focus on, cause propaganda even Africa. When I went to Africa, the man them say, fear Africa. Me ready to go Africa. You know my friend them tell me say,
Yes.
I'm say, Randy, don't go to Cape Town, water shortage. So he said, you know me I go do? Me I go buy some water and put it in my suitcase.
I'm going to Cape Town.
I go Cape Town.
Cause you know, because of water, make you not go to Cape Town.
Anyway, I'm maroon, you know. We not fear.
No.
We love God. So me love Jamaica because Jamaica gave me a program of life, love, and light. Because we are near to the equator upon this planet, you know. Everybody want to come here. But then me see big Jamaican man, boy, me nah go back to Jamaica. Me hear say.
Yes.
And then because I've started frequently coming here, what you hear say no? Because you hear say.
Yes.
When you touch down upon Jamaica, you said even the bad boy them might yell you up, yo, yes boss, yes big man. There's rules to this engagement in Jamaica. One must learn the rules instead of being scaredy cats.
Yes.
So this Jamaica passionate, this Jamaica good life, when Nika go take over and keep showing the goodness about Jamaica, sending a donation so we can continue.
Well.
Don't send all on the rent, just send half of it. Click on the link below. What we're trying to do, this evangelical, this spiritual movement, is that everything a man say bad, we are trying to say good too.
Yeah, man. Yes, man.
So this 20 years of my journey in showing the goodness in herbal healing, my grandmother put out 100 herbs and we record it. We do so much work, Nick. We do photography, 15,000 pictures and show people. And when we put these things online, my family say, you're mad, youth. You're an idiot. I say, no, gotta talk to me.
So your family, some of them didn't really with you on this lifestyle of in getting to make and people understand what we are forgetting about. So what make you go on? Because family, family actually is a big basket where you actually need them to support you and everything. So what make you want to go to this extent, even though they're not encouraging you to do?
Nature spoke to me and told me, say, you're a king, my lord. You're a warrior. You have a big responsibility in your village. You have to go protect. You have to go protect your own country. I say, me, this a little boy, yeah?
Just a little boy.
How me I go save my country? And then in media and in America, I start to realize when you preserve something in the digital world, culture, lifestyle, you're saving the people. When you document the culture, the music, and the way of life and the food, that is the people. Without culture, you are nothing. So as the world became modernized, I started realizing all the information of my grandmother is going to be lost.
Yes.
But here was the positive about the internet. It's the virtual world. We can't save it this up. So if we preserve Jamaica culture on the internet, we will last.
Yes.
Because the children in the future will now remember, oh, that's what them did for this sickness.
Yes.
I knew I would get old. Now, how did I continue without the naysayers? You see, in life, when the Almighty creation give you a purpose, and you hear it every day, and people say you're mad, if you listen to that voice and just continue, you might not have a wife, you might not be settled, and then after you do your work, by thy works I should be judged, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if the Almighty put you upon a journey and say, this you for do, it no matter what you try for do. Many times I tried to marry, it didn't work, because no, you have to go protect this information that is godly to represent it to the world. And now that the world is seeing it, when them sit down in them settee and them living room, them whole family, and see me and Baba, them say, Randy, Me thank you so much. So I said to them, send your donation or send all the rent, send half the rent. Because Nick is gonna have to continue this movement. Yes. So this Jamaica Good Life we promote.
Yeah, man.
Is that we all Jamaicans are a part of this. So when you take your camera and go to Jamaica and keep promoting good Jamaica, we will counteract the media. Me say, yo, me a war against media every day. Who dead, who get shot, who get robbed.
All the violence business.
And they don't show the beauty of our country. So I'm going to fight against that. So that's what make me continue. Because I know say there is something more to what they must say.
Yes.
You see me?
That is true. That is true. But like, I like the spirit, you know? I like, just continue to do this, man.
Yeah.
Understand?
So now I'm going to pass it on to you. Nick, you see, the Jamaica Good Life brand new our bill and the positivity. Poverty is in the mind.
Yes, man.
You see me, if me and you cut a breadfruit and a roast a breadfruit and I eat it, one thing we learn about Jamaica is a sharing culture.
Yes.
And as much as the modernization and data upon the phone and people want to go be like everywhere else, if you just be like a Jamaican, you plant cantaloupe, plant tomato, you will be okay.
Yeah, man.
So what I say to your generation is this: don't buy into too much of the modernization.
Yeah, man. Stick.
So the good life, the good life, Jamaica Good Life is about
promoting.
Keep on sharing and caring and loving among yourself.
Yes,
you see me? So Nick, I go continue it. So I want to support Nick. Me do it without no money, but I'm gonna need some strength. You see me?
Yes, man.
Donate link below.
Yeah, man. No problem.
Tell them about yourself.
Well, actually, I was born in St. Elizabeth. You know, grew up, went to school, get some subjects. So, you know, I actually understand the whole schooling thing and the whole, you know, I've been in the hotel industry, so I know a little about that same way, you understand, and being around and seeing nature, being around Mr. Randy, right, I actually can see more than what I usually see. I caught up in the work. I don't even realize that I wasn't even living. Part of me was missing. And so after realizing the work that he's inputting, I draw myself closer, thus to feel something more. You know, living in the country, you know, doesn't mean you can live, you know, because you have to go work every day, work and home, and now I can feel something different, you know, and it motivates me to go out and feel nature, to embrace what we as young people actually forget about, you know, and that's why I respect Mr. Randy here, because guess what? If I go on my phone, because I'm a young person, I go on my phone, I go on YouTube and I can see a video like this, then I can say, wow, I never did, man, when me hear say this did happen, my boy, me did hear say this happened for true, or this and my grandmother did say, but me never really remember. So thanks to you, Mr. Randy.
Give thanks.
At the end of the day, it's a modern world, so modern, you know, recording and going forward is the way to reach us as young people. So thank you, Mr. Randy.
Yeah, man, we're good.
Yeah, man.
Blessings to the viewers. Me love when you tell on the mother, say me love her more than I love her. So if you send me the money, no good, no more money. Yeah, right. Love, light, and life.
Yeah, man. Peace.
Jamaica Good Life, we say.
Yeah, man. Peace out. Yeah, man.
I mean, the bus broke down in her thought. The same lady at the shop called me and said to me, say, me buy one old house up there, so go and go take in the bin and sort out, I said. And so come you see me had that one and you see me there. You see the lady there? No care me going in the shop and you wrong with me. You think me argue with you?
No. Then you'll be a dirty, broke down somebody.
Ooh, you think me argue with him?
You can't argue with him.
Can you face it?
But the spirit...
And the one that went me not face with her?
No.
Can you say good what she do for me?
You pass over do, man, when she get
What's up?
You know, say what?
Let me send you around here and tell you, say, V, say, anything at all in our shop. Even Chinese. Some Chinese move from downtown from across here, this so.
over there, so.
If me send you down there and say, Pokey say.
Where they gone? Where they gone?
You don't really know it, but in good in the hospital.
Nasty, tell him I
Right now,
damn nasty.
you don't know nasty.
You ever go in the back part?
Listen. Remember say I saw him take a place.
Fix it up, man.
At the time, it's not enough for him it.
Oh.
Where they will take up your money spent?
Who do you take from?
I know for him just want to see you wanna come for a lick that the lick down. You will like the lick down.
No, honestly, we take
The
some
first old man when did it?
Lindsay?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So Lindsay, the China when did it first before them.
Before that time, uh-huh.
And them a come back. I lick them they lick down when we Right now you know how much we owe them? $5,000. Which China in Jamaica you can owe money?
True.
Eh? Which not even $5 you can owe them. If your money short of $1 then you take back the goods.
Yeah.
Well me who that the Chinese anything me want, anybody me send it. Remember me tell you that. And China no like nyam from black people for purpose. They will nyam a party shop.
Yeah, man. On the fast food.
Yes.
You know, this man for knocking down now.
Them in the
Oh, what are you?
Desmond Mackenzie
the cool man we sell out the side tell me say that the man they nasty.
Okay,
What
one
I tell me
second.
say
Yes, man, from Kingston.
Yeah. I am Desmond Mackenzie, yeah.
So when you get
And people call him.
Come on. Desmond is the minister of
health,
and yeah. No, not that. Not that. King of Parish Council.
Parish,
Yeah.
yeah.
And everything part on a Parish Council.
I him. So hold on. So we from him to come here and the grill for Kingston.
No,
man.
man.
And the same Chinese man feed place I am
And improve the circle the whole island. The circle the whole island to
But
anywhere.
I'm here for Kingston. So how? I'm here.
No, man, I'm here.
And I'm here again?
No, he's not the mayor. He's the minister. But anywhere I'm going, anything
coconut no for you. Coconut good for you. Olive oil.
You say you're
Very
going.
good fun.
Cool. Clean out your system.
Anywhere I'm going, anything, man.
So what good for my blood circulation?
Parish Council is saying, you knock it down. I had it.
Blood circulation.
Cersei,
Can't drink Cersei with tamarind.
Turmeric, yeah, man.
turmeric.
Turmeric.
That's a good.
Hey.
You can't change up the name themselves.
Look here, no. Hello. Look here.
Swap it with the
No,
coconut.
I just did for the English people then.
Randy. We are Jamaican. We chat for
Hey, I have a translate.
Well, translate it
What?
here.
This is
Yeah,
it.
can you see clean up system like flush you out?
Me. We.
Pokey, if I want my stomach for flat.
Bathroom more leave.
Yeah, man. Flush out.
Alright, me don't show you one sitting one milk of magnesia. My daughter care from America. I don't know why not.
We.
Me don't show you it.
Okay.
When you come back on that,
Okay.
see coconut.
Okay.
Talk to me.
So wash out.
So,
And let's tell me how. Listen me now. Listen me. Don't tell me why not. Listen what I said to you. Don't tell me why not. How why I'm not drinking.
No, me tell you that they said no, my daughter care from me.
Good.
Me belly when beginner. And I 2 times me drinking.
Alright. Me need some.
When me like go on my bed, me drinking.
Bring one little bit history. See? I want to come a little bit.
Look here, it cut out the cold inside of
I
you.
want something like that.
Don't you want careful.
Don't tell me why nothing fine. Tell me why I'm not drinking.
What make you not want nothing boy?
Me not buy more medicine not drinking.
Why?
Me can't drink. Me can't drink it. You buy it give me will drink it.
Listen, blend this
If I buy it, me
Cersei.
not.
Blend this Cersei. Blend this Cersei.
When you blend your can.
Why you good for susumba seed and leaf?
So some good for cold. So some
Some
can
cold
eat.
bush.
And sorry, but good. What's sorry good for?
Sorry good for your
Speed
blood.
it up. What the trumpet leaf good for?
The trumpet leaf now they say good for pressure.
Pressure. You're good, you know. I testing you.
One bottle.
Jackfruit seed soup. Jackfruit seed soup on it.
Jackfruit seed can't mix soup.
She good, you know, man. Taste it, you know. Donkey weed, chicken weed. You mix how much 5 cans you mix with the cancer? 5 of them. Donkey, chicken weed. What's the third one? Damn good, you see. You're not feeling good. You failed the
Just
test.
say, you know, the too soft, eh?
No, make it too soft.
Alright.
I say though, just straight, take your hand, make it soak like a bit and strain it.
Another question. Would you blend
Gone on a paltan.
the skin with the aloe? With the skin from the aloe good for?
Yeah.
Ah, she
We don't know what else it is.
The yellow part, me don't know too much about
Coach.
it either. You have to go get
Coach.
one herbal man. You
All
can't
right,
get one
all right.
herbal man.
You have a herbal man?
Yeah, you can't get everything.
Him there on yourself?
We can't go check him.
I have him phone number.
Cause we have a car out
So
already.
now castor oil, what good for?
Castor oil good for your hair. You know, so
Yes,
they have
yeah.
the drinking one and they have the. Let me see that.
And what is sweet sap good for?
So it's good for your nerves.
Nerves, ain't it?
That soursop right there, so soap
Yeah,
and
man,
chicken.
good for your
Nerves.
nerves.
What's the number one thing it good for?
Nerves.
Nerves.
Cancer.
And cancer.
What
So
do
they
cancer?
That right there, sir,
What do cancer?
are the biggest cancer agent in Jamaica.
So they say.
Cancer, soursop, mixed with the raw honey. I eat what people in America want. That. But you must plant this in abundance.
Me have one in my yard.
You have one in your yard?
What about 5?
I have a friend who have
Stop
cancer,
there.
we're going to bring her down.
Stop there.
So I'm going to start kind of
When
cleanse her.
they stop there, I don't want to stop there quick.
What do you say? What we do? Come and say no.
Put on the back and see corner break a day. It's chicken at all.
See, Pata say you know can go cook it.
Juicy corner. We there go away cook. Yeah, cook.
See,
Oh.
me and the pasta, you have to do something. Get up.
I am the same. I am same. I go juice.
I'm here. No, I chicken one thing also.
What's the next one already? What's the one already?
This is what you call dirty people.
Right now, keep up on the something, man. Right now, doing rice.
After I'm drinking rum and smoking weed.
Well done. Juicy rice. Let me see your fingernail then.
Yeah, man. See, if you need them clip out.
Dirty.
I clean, man. Like the next chef is there. The next man is there. Say hand, he feel him finger dirty. You know I make dumpling. And when the food ready, I ain't want much out of it.
And that
So
finger
me
my
say the finger not clean. You know get done. You don't
What I do with the smoking? If not, it's going to continue smoking, cause out your caca plant.
We have something you can spray there, man.
No, man, what I do with the smoking?
Everybody.
Everybody.
That's the one brand of that song.
You want to do something with that, man?
Juicy, listen, juicy coconut milk put in iPad.
How many of strainer? Where's strainer there?
You see pepper, yeah, throw one green pepper in iPad with some skin and not time.
We don't have time.
So, no bad. So you know no straight, see straight now.
I'm blind man.
I'm tired, man.
No, Nick, him expensive, you know. Nick got Germany and ton high price.
That's so much peas in the cook.
No, I put some in the fridge. We put some in the fridge.
Take out 5 things now, too much.
Nick got Germany and become expensive and dear. Where is the plate? Where is the fork? Wait, let man come to my bedroom, Randy. You want me say, just Nick, just deal with it. That's what happening now. He go fly in a plane and lose his head. Hey, I some rum and jelly coconut if you have enough. See how quick you get your whistler. Jamaica Good Life you're living up. Hey, you know, nice like this foreign, you know, make you know. Just go there for the money and then leave out. So your grandmother was how old when she passed on? And she
85.
And she grew you?
Bro, I sleep with her.
Yeah?
Family did some more. She sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So even time I don't know. She live off a distance.
So you grew up a nice life?
No, all the time we grew up on.
What?
With mattress. Bunk bed.
Would you say your life was painful or happy?
Well, we have to live within a country band, don't see.
They make
So
it tough.
We don't know the outcome. And we, if it come up now and try, make it better.
Yeah.
I said, home, because see my mother and my father, me not live so. Because them waste most of their time. You understand? Because they come from down in the ancient days, slavery days. So they use them for them slavery days and grow them picnic. So I let them know this and run again. Big old them there.
You run with it?
Run again.
Why?
I know I kill him.
So when you build up big sometimes and get red eye. So it's like foreigners is best to come and simplify yourself.
Yes, better than come and see. Jamaican nice.
Simplify though.
Yeah.
So the advice I have to give them, which a lot of them don't want to come back, but because Jamaica so nice, I want them to come back.
Yeah,
Like
anyway, you live the
me
area
coming
you
back.
live in there.
So that's why my big friend don't know.
You come, you look at family, you're not friend with, you look at family. We are all family. Same blood, not some black, some white. Same people there.
But if you come and act like you're better than everybody, you will
Right.
end up in a problem.
Right. What kind of problem? You don't mix up with people. You don't get nobody. You put on your one pot, sit there rice and peas and chicken you cook. You want to call your neighbor and give him little, if you take you give.
You share, you have to share in Jamaica.
Thank you.
Some of them come when they want to share and mix up, they're going to get shot.
They like JB, they like ganja. So when you go up on the street, you go around the bar, you buy a drink, you see a one man sit down there like he wants to drink. If you can afford, you have a man, I will take it. That the man they go watch your head back.
Yes.
Nobody can come proper when I hits, man. You understand? So nobody can come around here. Everywhere you say, Dads, bossy, what go on there?
Yeah. Like, and people say, even though people say they're not going to mess with him.
Right. Yeah.
Everybody you pass, you have to say hello to.
Jerky. What go on, Soupy? Good soup on this way.
Soup man?
Yes. We don't want to make some soup for you, and some of your old tight, this one when the neck clean up. Watch out. This one when the cooking soup and the drinking man.
When the cooking soup, they bring some forward some now, when you finish it.
This one when you put in new to sell soup. You put in coasting in a soap from overnight. And when you clean it, white like salt.
Yeah, man, rain, man. I told you that, girl.
Remember me tell you, I saw food look bad. Proper look bad.
Remember last time I go on there?
Watch out.
I'm super clean too.
Yeah, man.
Don't tell me to run.
Yes, man.
That food is hungry now.
Yeah, man.
I'm going to start that come back.
So where run go?
Yeah.
For the bicycle?
No, very much for that one.
How are you doing there? Sick? So are you sick?
No, sir, we're not rushing me.
In a bad place?
No, sir, we have some family around.
Oh, so you have play on Sunday busy?
Yeah, man.
You actually look at hooks tonight.
You know, like coconut.
Alright. Yeah.
Some of the area.
Pokey, I'm talk to you.
They don't need to be
Hold 1 second, hold on. Pokey, come here, man. I make them distract you, man.
They don't need to use cookie rice.
Finish talking to the man, man.
Where's the now, bossy? Eh? No, man. More piece first.
Alright.
But you know, it only take time because Babylon system give a fight.
Yeah, man, we check the man.
If not Babylon, we call a long time.
General, let's go on.
Respect. Give
We
thanks.
don't want to make some soup for me next week Sunday, cooking. We don't buy coasting. We go for one river trip. May I carry you with me? Yes. I don't be one around cook. God, what do we get to mix up? I mean something not real. Not real me, you know, some black and shine.
On a mix up, you know, on a mix up, you know. Wait there. I caught that you squeezing a frying pan. I went it.
Sure, we did just
I went it rat. A frying pan, man.
What happened,
I'm
Ali?
going to take one boy.
You know, for putting on bigger things so you can really push it and squeeze it and push it and squeeze it.
Next one.
Lord, boy.
Oi, Randy, nothing bigger than that.
Eh?
Nothing bigger than that.
They walk post, man.
Nothing no bigger than there.
Bigger than that.
Put in a one pot, man.
That we have so far.
Lord, boy. A Jamaica Good Life, you know, nothing there.
Not there. I'm not bother with.
Uno a sample, you know. Uno mix up.
Yeah, blend.
That with Jamaican people, you know. You turn and make fashion.
No bother way.
Nah, man.
Them no bother way. Them no bother way. Now who sing that one there? No, him name, them no bother way. I who sing what? You know the tune. Him name.
You're a false prophet, man.
Him name. Them no bother way.
You're a false prophet.
You see him there? See him there? See him there? See him there now?
You get dry coconut back home?
Yeah, man. Everything we're down here up there. It might not taste the same.
You dry coconut?
Yeah, man. America have everything that you have down here. Except the bush and the herbs. Even coconut is after retire that like this. And sugar taste good.
So me here.
Not really, I feel get your license and if I get food truck is a big deal now. Food truck costs about 50,000 US. If you get a food truck, man, you know you can't come back here because your house are so big. Them are go jealous. Yeah, man. You see the food that you cook. You open a restaurant in America, man. And don't rule out Africa, I'm going to go Botswana. I'm going to buy some land, so get your papers. When that film I take off and we start make money now, we just ship on out to Botswana. And you can cook for them. You see me? See, season 1.
Alright, coconut make it down in the peas.
Una boil the egg. Una scald the egg?
Boil it.
You have to boil it.
A scald, una scald it?
Boil it.
Boil it.
Boil egg.
Yes, boil it.
What I boil it for?
We use.
How not going to use it? Not the vegetable?
And then
pasta.
I want to make pasta too like so on a rasta.
Rice and peas and chicken and pasta, man. Remember we call it that, auntie? Is it auntie that? Now what your name? The name Auntie V.
We don't want no gravy. You don't have no gravy, right?
I don't know.
Hey, we have to make it gravy, man. Onion and thing. You never buy the onion, right?
I have onion.
Nice gravy for the chicken. What you mean, man? All them chicken there look so exposed. Put on the chicken leg.
Now man, I'm walking in practice.
Open up in scratches.
All the practice should take everything in eye.
You know, there's a certain etiquette when you do with chicken. You can't make the chicken just cock up so.
So that when I say one cock up.
You have to
Bring it, look there.
You have to turn it down, man.
Come look at me. Then portion you like, that's all.
On the wrong, man. And you must cut off the chicken leg and don't expose the chicken like that. You like the knife, huh?
Yeah, man.
You have a sharpen it though, man.
Yeah, man.
But look how they make you go back and cook. Boy, them trickery, you know.
Yeah.
They make you back and cook and thing.
Yeah.
Them a can artist, man.
Yeah, man.
They make the chef always at work.
Always.
Always.
Voilà, ready. Call it in.
Chef.
Good, the chef must always a cook.
Cook.
Okay.
Him get better all the time and more practice for him.
Chef must always be cooking. Chef. Your name? Chef. Yeah man, go and do your thing now, but don't feel case.
I'll pick me up your big chicken.
Yeah.
You see fella?
If we cut another coconut and put some rum in it. Drink it and put some rum in it. Let me go cut it. You film me. Hold it. Watch yourself, you countryman. Watch yourself. I'm right shoulder there. Cut in that place. Weird.
See machete now. See machete.
Give me all this machete to slow champion.
Where machete?
Sit there.
Jerk it.
Sit there so.
I don't like. You being so strong.
Give me all this one.
We have the whole bunch. I want to look at that right now.
The whole of no man, no so dirty. Easy no boss. I'm not taxi where I drive, you know. A coaster where I drive.
Watch
no
him and
taxi,
this,
you know.
watch him and go coconut. Watch him.
Look there. You never know
Hey,
about
watch
that
him,
basket.
watch him.
If the people that sleep in the yard, they're rip off the coconut. They cannot chop coconut on time.
Coconut of fine take to the right.
Sure,
Go
coconut
to
in
do
your
it.
country.
Go to do a chop coconut, Mr.
Yes, sir. It's never like a test me. What you said? Around the dad.
Yeah, man. See one day chop jelly. Watch him. Watch him and chop jelly.
Mr.
Yeah.
Boy.
We are chop the tail up around there. Jelly for chopping up.
Look there. Don't you know?
Me see it. Angry business. No, you pour that door. You pour
Quick,
that
look
door.
how quick.
You pour that, man. That pour one day. You pour the coconut, my lord. And that one that too.
We drink half. If the other half, then we try the rum. Yes, to blows.
When you drop the
Yes, to
Show me some ice like that.
Yeah, what me there? I'm trying to get the man. Yeah, Jesus, man.
Jamaica Good Life, we say. Every time you could shake it, you turn it around, you take your left hand and you turn it around. If you have a girl, you just turn it around.
I say, chum.
Yes, I have your girl.
Turn it
Turn
around.
Just turn it around.
Yeah, man.
Let me show you something.
Woman love when you cut coconut and throw it on them back when you have them a deal with
Let me show
them.
you something.
I'ma show you something.
If I turn it around like the one there.
Wash it off. You ever do the woman and she say wash it off? Coconut off. How would that? Turn it around! Look for you with a big weed now your mouth. But it's a herbalist kitchen.
Some of you, now you're going to chef from the pot or something. And you can question that, make sure answer.
Poke where I deal. Oh yeah, cook the thing.
Cook rice and peas. Some people use sugar, but you don't have to use it.
Yeah. Want to say it, you know.
Now make him take your style and start what I'm invented, you know. Slap
Slap
him like
Hey,
head
me not about the
and
same one. Someone you come out of your
slap him in the head and say, pattern it boy! Then him run out the road talk about say, yeah man, I'm my style this. You have to give her credit man, a poke show you.
Yeah, man.
Listen to the elder, you see how she come.
Let me show you something. The first something a chef work, don't want to give you everything. You look. And you learn.
Look on Pokey. Pokey cut up the garlic in his hand. Pokey make about 17,000 slices in 2 seconds. Pokey's on the run and Pokey's on the furlong and there's Pokey on the Pokey is running with 3 legs right now. Pokey's taking the lead and Pokey's cutting up the garlic like that. Pokey! Straight to the pot.
One day, so you're mad.
Hey, how fast? And the fastest somebody never see people cut up garlic, you know.
I pressure cook a head here. They can't make it stay. They can't make it stay. No, man. They can't put it on steam.
No make him talk too much. No make him talk too much in your kitchen right now. Cause you see, just because you touch the pot cover, I'm going to say, I ain't cook it. I ain't tell you what to do. Pokey's in the fridge right now. We're watching Pokey very well because she's the leader. And there goes Pokey. Famous chef Pokey. International Pokey. Yes, we're watching her closely. This is a giant among giants. She's a superstar. This boy's in her way, and she worked right around him.
She win the race.
Pokey win every day. Let's see how she's gonna deal with the chicken skin. See what Pokey doing with the chicken skin, everybody?
Yeah, look at the skin of it again.
What's she doing?
Clean
Oh, Pokey's cleaning the chicken skin.
Squeeze out them like a bum.
Oh no, that's his detail.
Yeah, man.
I'm not having chicken for anybody.
Not true.
One nice skin. I know the clean, you see?
Yeah, see how I do that now? The skin can't find it.
One bottle bring this boy.
That's what we tell you.
And Pokey threw one out the kitchen.
Can't trust Rasta man. Oh, this is have it? No, season pepper.
What time did that come?
3 o'clock and 3 o'clock and shift.
3 o'clock and we all left for the beach like 4 o'clock. So we can have time for eat.
What time now?
I'm not sure.
Between 3 and 12. Let me tell you exact what it is between 3 and 12. 124. No, wait till she move.
And Forky's now has taken over the kitchen by herself. The expert works alone. Nobody thieving her ideas. All right, Forky, call us when you want to.
Let's see it.
So what's going on, dirty good life Jamaican people, Jamaican people?
They are sweating up.
Yeah, sweat. You don't do no work today. A Forky I do all the work.
Coconut trash probably more. Coconut trash.
Ah, big guy. Why not easy? Why not you love to come with it?
Right on. I cough this man. You know I can't sleep.
I like what you do.
Thank you, B. Thank you. Dirty stink.
Now you pick up me now man.
And them get one hard, you know.
You want to try me see me sleep on there?
About 8 times.
Oi! You want to try me see me sleep on there?
And that's it.
What am I do? What am I do? Tell me what I do.
Aye. You don't be telling right there, so.
Tell me what I do
I'm going to be
now. Be careful, man.
All right. We'll go on with it now, Forky. Boy, you really clean the chicken good.
Man, if you clean up, we'll put the container little.
Yeah.
No, there.
So you put lemon on it too.
No, you're not cleaning something. No,
Some people clean it with vinegar too, you know.
yeah, we don't use it, make it coarse. When you eat it coarse. So we're not gonna use it. Oi! Wait to fight them it nice.
So tell the people how far and where to do what you...
Yeah. You season it up and take it out. If you don't tell me, make you one big pot.
That man.
But the chef did know, but the chef not say nothing.
Aye. And everybody else don't know nothing. That's how you go. Aye. Me know. Nobody else don't know nothing. Everybody else just pay ahead.
What am I talking about?
We hear panic.
What am I talking about?
Eh?
You should have said bring a
Say,
big pot
yeah.
from Forky house.
Well, I don't know.
what
Everybody else. Jerky. Everybody else
Pot
have
and
head.
can go for the pot.
No, man, it's dead now, moving on.
Yeah. You see, everybody have head. I just hear the panic.
And not we must lick in our head, kind of nothing for cooking now.
So now, no season.
No season, no true. Hold on.
Come on, the chicken sit down there.
Alright.
That's all.
That's it, man.
The clock can carry this thing hard.
Alright. This is a chicken. You know no vinegar.
No, me do if you do it.
I
And no fish may come in.
Alright.
If you want meat, you use much.
Oh, so one chicken season at you know.
And fish.
And fish. So you want to go buy chicken season?
Okay, no, but then this is chicken when it's covered.
The one they good enough?
So we can't find nothing big, are you sure? We have to go use a bath pan out of the bathroom, you know. You know, I saw them.
Put 5 people over it and put it on the fire.
I saw them do a Manchester, you know. You know, a big pot. No, bring the bath pan, come and season the chicken.
They can use 2 pots, you know, so I next to one, you know.
Well, this is fried chicken. That's right. That minute, don't cover feet.
Yeah, man. Cover the chicken and everything. Yeah, man, sit down. That's why I know say you're a chef, you know. Chicken have to cover. Listen keenly. And a high fire cook chicken. A heat.
Because when you cover it and I fry it, it's still cooking.
The steam and have this.
Soft, tenderness.
You know what?
The chicken is without love, you know.
Can you learn? So me don't talk to you. You had have on here, but you have the cover in You know how I hear alone.
Go, Forky. Go.
I don't hear, you know. I don't hear you hear that, man.
So instead of you put on the garlic and the pepper on the chicken, you burn in the oil.
You put the garlic, you burn the garlic and the pepper in the oil. I know them style there now. Yeah, one day I come and cook some ginger chicken for you, you know.
Put on the pot now for you, make it go on hot.
Wait.
Hey, Pokey, I cook chicken for you, bite off your finger, you know. And you
Try
see,
it yesterday, I want to try Pepsi chicken one idea.
Pepsi chicken.
I want to fry chicken and use the Pepsi cookie down.
Okay. We could use some of that guava jam and make the sauce, you know.
I don't know about food, I know about the old time style.
Guava, yeah. Yeah, man. You see, me they have something there. See, me they have some, Alright. Ketchup.
you good?
Who him?
Me? Yeah, it's good, man.
Alright, man.
Now, I'm sorry, I'm missing the kind of Africa and sleeping, you know.
Hmm?
This time I
You
did
work
good
tonight?
Yes, man.
But you know, you don't sleep all day. Lord, man, don't kill yourself, you know. Go take a nap and then come back with the
I
food.
saw the body stay, man. The body program.
But what time now?
The body program, man.
Go take a nap.
Hold on.
Dirty people, listen. Go tell him. Go tell him. Take a nap, then come back with the food done.
Listen up.
Hold on,
Go take a nap. Go take a nap.
Randy, the body program, man. If you catch 2 o'clock, we can't talk about sleep. That's what I say.
So you will just knock
2
out.
o'clock, it's really like a Sunday, so.
You can't wake up.
No, man, I wake up, man. It's me stay, so.
I can't sleep.
Half hour straight now, half hour straight, me drop asleep. Good sleep. I'm going to wake up back after. I'm good at it. But the body program,
What time now?
After 1.
Oh, 2 o'clock you go sleep.
Yeah, 2 o'clock, so I'm going to sleep.
Oh, okay.
You see how many juice? Juice of everything. You just before you start sleep.
My work can sing one time, sir. 2 and a half, 4 and I'm 1 and 1, single one. So 2 hours can sing one time. Alright, Nick. Look on the size of the she look like a 1 smarty. No, so she look like a 1 3. 2 and a half, and 1 and a half. And me a 1.
What them in there do? Hold on, I have to check them, you know, because they will cut up the thing wrong, you know, I have to make sure I get them right. But no season not there on that.
What do you mean, man?
You feel yourself?
You free yourself?
Just have it to work. Okay, it's good, yeah? I'm not going to say a spaceship will not fly, I negotiate.
It's good, man.
Put some Cersei in it.
Yo, what?
A Manchester secret that man. I shouldn't tell on Hanover no come from. You really have to come with it?
Oh, mate, we love touring.
Eh?
Once in a week, not on
You sure you come? You have to take
not
off
on weekend.
early, you know, 5 in the morning. We jump out. In the wagon.
Wash out this thing.
Poker, you never said take a draw, Randy. You damn selfish, dirty people, Lord God.
Dirty people.
Me tell you something smelling real good, you know. Something smelling real nice when you smoke the kind of weed now.
I get ganja that till I get my weed really jump up the I'll send you one different time.
Where you get this?
I just buy a mix with beer.
One bun black pepper, man.
You see black pepper and I see.
We say bun black pepper boy. Bun black pepper boy.
Another minute chat.
Bun black pepper stop up man system.
Them they sitting in my ear. Then they send me a buy me, I have to find my spot. I have to find my spot to be. Get a shop later on, go there. Girls, I can't cook.
You know, so you're the real Jamaican, no man. Your mother authentic, your family authentic, you know. Them never win no awards. Like, what them good for? What them growing up? What?
They growing a chop cane.
Them chop cane?
Yeah.
Go on farm work?
No, country, fruit, estate. That's why I go part no estate.
You're the real Jamaican, you know. For your blood no mix with no white man, you know. You're pure, you know.
Alright, man, brother, you know.
I know, choppy.
For me, man, name bad.
I rape them, man. Your mother not feel bad.
I rape them, used to rape them and
Rape them.
off.
Yeah.
And then go work for you, book him and say them body big round the background, like some breast him up so. You know what I'm saying? And black and shiny and nice.
Look on Trusty.
Oh my God.
Trusty have the whole two of them, you know. Trusty two of them very mature, you know. Them are two, yeah, you need machine to cut them. Oh Lord, man, them are two, yeah. Them have a history. Them are two, you have all. Them are two, you have independence.
Well done. You know, say I go to you in a whole day and make your two plates up. I say I told they ugly.
No, I'm not true. Don't tell him I said too ugly. You're gonna hurt him feelings.
Listen, I sand do for me put.
You're gonna hurt him feelings. Let me see where you're going. Lord God, walking, no, no.
This sand do me to them.
Don't show them to the world.
Stay like you.
I will walk to your
I
house.
seen me come and nigga me to us here.
As much pig you fry, you told them look like Bigfoot. No, Pokey, put on back your socks. Don't ever take off your socks again. You got the pork spirit in you. Don't put them, no. I wouldn't lie to you. Wouldn't lie to you. I love you too much. Would I never, don't go to a road in little slippers. Keep your socks on. That's what when you touch God pork, you know, your foot them start look like pig. No, look on my toe. You see, me not find no pork. So me told them alright. You know, I find no pork. And when you sleep at night, you told them start morph, look like Bigfoot. Right it. No man. Hey, something smelling real good, you know. I love all that smell, you know. I wish the world could have smelled that. See, they come and taste it, panic. Go in that light. Bring that video to your light. Something smelling real. It's a Nick the chef, you know. A good life, you know. See there. Yes, Nick. You're a boss, you know. You're a bar. You're a boss, my lad.
Nice, Nick.
But it smells good, you know. Mr.
Nice, Nick.
Are the real house this, you know? Something smelling real. Something smelling real nice. When you put it in the chicken. And you put it in the rice.
You know, mums.
You make me feel like me and yam pasta.
You like it, huh?
Yes. No man, you see me up here, yeah? You see anyone what we make? So when you buy back, it goes to profit share.
Yeah, man.
We don't deal with people, so
You have to deal with people good now.
what me say me do? You see when we make the money, we buy back the goods, you see, weekend, anything we have.
Talk to me, not I'm ready to spend some money.
Listen, brother, what me say? You see when we put out the money and cook the food,
Yeah, man.
you see when we see money we have left after we buy back Saturday,
Yeah.
that the profit day after me I you know 20,000 like say me they will give you a market.
Yeah.
Me not know that. You deal with people, you deal with people good. Same cut when we get and the same cut you do.
Because if you want to keep your toe them pretty,
Thank
deal
you.
with people good.
Thank you.
I see you sticking out.
Bad dealings create ugly toe.
I saw you that. I wash your rice for you now. Yeah?
Hey, him never walk. Hey,
Right straight time.
him never walk so hard since we there, since you come, you know. You motivate him, you know.
Yeah man.
Right, trusty.
Yeah, sure.
You motivate him, you know.
You make me feel like me don't look here. Yeah, one second, long time. We get 1 second. Nick have build up in family. Nick move, my son in.
Nick.
Yo.
Ah, you wanna hear there?
Who want my son-in-law?
I bust upon my friend.
Where you say?
And a two chef again. So you
Yeah.
don't know.
I bust upon my friend Kitty. Am I girl, you know?
I'm good at married already. Nick married already.
Awesome.
Oh.
Yeah, we got to in your toilet because we like them.
Yeah. You get half a boy. Kitty and I are a good girl.
Two of them can cook.
And this one now. Now that's one. Two of them are my friends. Everybody miss me on your accounts then.
And two of them they run the restaurant. I mean,
You
we
understand?
still go around.
Anybody miss me
Me
on
there
your
restaurant doing before because I'm chicken. And them then they then liquor. Ray. I'll tell Kitty some of the open the restaurant. Find one chef him and Nick take time put in the words.
Well, you know, so you're powerful, you speak to the spirit, you know. You set up the future, you know, you be careful, you know. Cause you are programmed, you know. When you program the thing, you know, it lock, you know. Cause your spirit strong, you know, mother. You know, cause once you put it on them, it lock, you know. Cause you see when me do down and me see him dead right near. Me did see the spirit at work, me say, when Nick's so close to the woman for something there, so. Me did see it, man. The dirty boy Nick, me see my moving, you know. Me say look for the little dirty fish too now. I show him muscle. 1 minute him flex him hand. Me say, what you little frog boy? Yeah man.
You can't jiggle look at your white man.
No, man. No, white man.
You put butter in there?
Yeah, I put it in there now.
Put in the butter, make it
But you know, Pokey teach a real thing, you know. So when them come around with her sister and brother,
yeah, your sister and brother.
money first.
Yeah, I'm on the way look away there when you go and spend it. I'm going to think you make no black man.
Money first, feelings later.
No black man, no black people don't come near call him out that you want him out with your man. Because they chat too much.
Yeah, man. Straight up. Watch your hand.
And them bad mind.
Watch your hand.
Look on the two chef them now.
Is this alright?
Oh my God.
What is song? Sing the song.
Come taste it, come.
Sing the song first. Sing the song first.
Come taste it.
Real good.
No, something smelling real good.
Something real nice.
Something smelling real nice.
1 week. Yeah, cut it down.
You don't taste with spoon, you taste with hand.
Yeah man. It up. It up, nice. Jamaica, when I'm missing it, you know. When I'm missing it, Jamaica Good Life. Thanks for watching this film. See Pokey there.
Make it butter.
It's gonna be a chef family. The baby might come out with carrot and scrape it.
You hear him? You hear him?
Hey man, I set up the future, man. We lock the future in. We lock the future
Give me
in.
rice. Me don't want no sauce. No sauce.
We lock the future.
No, seriously, no look worse on the truth. I want to run me out. Two cylinders me out me out. No, me don't look worse.
Fast in run stop, yeah? Fast in run
Check
stop.
out the shop.
But Python knows make you cook on there. I never tell you.
Shut up, chef, you know, proper there,
I say, as I'm cooking in one fry, don't give me pot Python want to your shield.
Listen, check out the shop. You know what they say.
Yeah, man.
Where we jockey road on the gate. I'll sell the food.
When you get to the start, do you know?
Yeah.
Video food.
Hello, B.
Sell the food and do order.
Hello, B.
Don't to order.
When you get to the start,
People want fish. Don't to order. Fish food done to order. You understand? You can fry couple fish first, you fry a couple pieces of chicken.
Yeah, but we know it's in set, man.
And we have one shop
Not
for
too much.
orange, but you know fast.
Oh.
One orange when sister bill. I'm going to have my money in there. Sit down with man use it.
So where she there? Where she there now?
15 subjects in that.
Where she there?
Sit down with the stress out the blood clot.
Not true.
No way, you saw me there.
Not true, man.
From me car nigga, me gone.
Disappear.
From them for this, me
How
gone.
much you have now?
6 me up, 1 man.
But yeah, the trang is Jamaica never bad.
Stick when me get a hole already from my one when you drop down.
Ah, 6 and 9?
And then was they ain't shoot one away.
So So when do you get into your softer side?
Right?
Like, just, hey honey, I just feel a little cold right now. Can you hug me?
No, we don't go to Jamaican don't do that. Jamaican jump up. And that's it.
I don't mean to say me and us home maybe. This is my set now.
White people doing this. White people, I'm fine. Me and your cousin.
Yes, I give thanks and blessings to the Most High chicken, goddamn. Yes, sir, the chicken and the pasta, take it out of the frying pan. Yes, sir.
To make some sauce, you know, or something.
Rasta pasta. You look like you love your knife and your meat board, man.
Yeah, man. Mine, no?
Yo, Nick.
Yo.
Right up the work, but it's
Yeah, man. As me tell you, me there want business already, Me there want business already, Not true me look young.
you like your style.
Me there want business already, me see those
Like
things.
this style in their hand. Don't go style in their brain. Style feel in their hand too. Cause sometimes brain feel in their hand and feel in my mind. How you never survive? You know in your brain, so what the rat to get out do?
Yeah.
So the amount of garbage man. You would have style in your hand too man, don't go your brain no. Yes, you're that in there. We're married, the man. Like two of them are come bitch now.
Big business, you know.
Yes, man.
I talk about empire, you
Them,
know.
I want to carry them, they're going to make me drive it soon.
And when you get older, you just sit down with your nice dress, and the money just are coming, you just count it for them.
Oh, God.
Keep them in line.
Eh? Next time you come, you'll run out of light and them out of Hanover up the video, go hold him. What? What you say? Oh, you put in this pot side like so. Can I want to sleep, so we watch it back. Wait, I will put it there. I know me.
Look on that part. Look on that part, you put the fart in.
Oh! This empire in a... No mix up with a like. Bad! Bad! I wicked this thing, may I tell you? You just feeling energy, man.
Yeah, we manipulate the spirit in them. Sing the song. Something smelling real good. Something smelling real nice. Hey, man.
Well, keep side chicken on a kind of bag, go make it bast, you see.
Yes, sir.
I think it's chef, in night on one open a restaurant.
Yo, open our one place where someone we get the coconut. And we bust them and grate them and juice them and put them on the fridge. On the freezer. See they're ready? We don't have that to do juice or anything, just put in a bag and time up. Like ice. If they're ready for me, just show me the pot and make it 1 hour. And hot pot.
I easy myself. You're not squeeze.
Rice done in, brother.
Yeah, man. We get that one to store.
This story already?
Just a little bit. Just to know the stuff
See her there? Killer that, you know. It's a Jamaican dragon, you know. Them the woman they will murder you.
Murder your holla.
And take pay for you and money.
Open the restaurant, give you that better thing.
When that becomes
Make the share. Everything locked in our account or in a bank account. And I'm going to a big bank, we're going to a little one and enjoy less interest. Here's a bad time. One hand can clap.
No, one wing can't fly.
And one wing can fly.
one wing can't flap.
I don't say you can't build up on the coming up here, but And we live like one. You know how long me they look hell, boy. What do you?
Hold it.
You can tell me say that the idiot man on my head gone like a bullet. And me say what's going on?
What going with the food now?
And that. Pure butter chicken or deal.
Oh yeah, use my jam.
Yeah, man, use some of your jam.
Yeah, use jam in the thing.
Yeah. Now done it though.
You don't have to pass it on.
Why is such a class?
Eh?
You don't see them paper?
Who? The man there, man there.
Eh.
My father.
I'm fine.
You see God send him come right at him.
They do man paper so.
That's what I tell them, say, trusty. When me see him, I say, alright, him running out of the family.
Man.
A maroon head, you know, a hog head. Eh? A maroon, so yeah. Yeah.
Both man.
See how him use them cock out and the head big? When I'm coming out. Yeah.
You know, so I could have take my house to a restaurant.
Take it easy with the business for a second. Relax one day, you know.
Business we sell, man.
A Sunday, you know.
Look away.
A Sunday. A Jesus Sunday now, you know.
Man, when you go see early dog. Early bed before sun come up.
So we're going to drive go river now.
Now, my man saying they go and work in can't take a day.
I can't tell you what to do.
I can't take a day.
I can't. No, we schedule setting up here. Like we're going to tap.
You don't want no security.
Right. What?
Well, if you're not work, you can't call a man and say ropes.
I'm too sorry, boss. I'm glad. Two of you are going to.
Turn on the fire a little bit lower on your rice.
Tomato paste, yeah.
Ketchup. Not the paste. Ketchup itself. Dumpy there.
So, am I going to squeeze the sweets out?
Yeah, man. Sauce up my body now. I'm not sure though.
Oh, you see her work with the chicken. Yeah.
Turn over the
Yeah. Some can't come and see them.
And then they are soak, you know. They soak on the first half.
They're coming like
Yeah, man. Pretty. See garlic powder? See garlic powder? A miracle.
you see milk, I first me using it.
Yeah, man, you use
the
making chicken. Yeah, man.
So
One
one
color
each one.
What do you call it, powder?
At first you use the coconut milk for the chicken.
No, coconut milk.
Coarse milk.
Cow milk, man. They mix it with the egg.
Yeah, what I first me
Yes.
see. Oh my God, this is
Them ready, man.
You can say it's when they use it.
a piece of that.
The one of them ready now.
They can give me good time.
Them ready, man.
Put in one extra.
One more plantain.
It's a press, you know. See, it's a press, you know. So you have to fry it too long, you know. Can you get it? It all fry too long, you know. Get chewy.
Without something inside here. But you have to get them more.
Yeah, man.
You know, like eat, so we don't drain this, flip up the chicken when you fry.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fry some plant on the side too.
You want everything. What a mix
What
up
me say?
What
Something
you
smelling
glad
real
how me cook when I get it
good.
in?
Something smelling real nice. You take me today. That's what I said to the girl, let me know.
When we go and meet chat, we pick up the chicken and come back. I sell chicken on there and 25 pound of pork. No, this time Mrs. Opaltan called me. Hear me? That moment I remember nothing, even text me from yesterday, but me don't remember. This time I'm right, things are good, things I'm showing them, I disappoint my friend tonight.
Not true.
And a long time I don't hang out with some real people. I like different
I didn't care, you know. Don't listen, no.
I like different type
No,
of
me didn't care. You know when you got the python?
I like growing go hang out.
Realness.
Hang out against different people.
Realness.
See what I up to, see environment and everything.
Yeah. She is high like a sky.
Yeah. Which one?
You know how yet?
No, baby, man. I'm going to go up a beach and I'm just sit down saying I'm supposed to panty and my brazier and my blow.
I say you're going to do it.
And just sit down saying
I'm catch you in a slow motion, you know.
And the bun weed and they just
catch you
imagine you see.
I'm catching a slow motion.
Yeah,
I
man, like
run in your panty and your brazier.
I like your judge me not one, you know.
No, eh?
Man, Saga, I'm going to tell you about it. Right now, I know the Prime Minister don't know, you know. Right now, man. Prime Minister don't know. You can't see, you can't get to you. I'm busy. I'm going to get a man can't turn a Prime Minister. How is all part-time? Man, we grow in a house and lock up and go to college. Can't come turn Prime Minister because you don't know about the street. You have to know about the street. Brain alone can't help. You have to know the street, walking, coming in your short pants and your sneakers. And walk dirty to on the road, make people then see and you're taking them. All you know about we do is buy one beer and sit down and drink around them. And take them in. How are they?
I can ask the chance right now. I want you to come down there now. You can be meeting and shots.
Yes, my baby.
When you see feast, straight lines.
When you say I want pack me one round them if you fry some chicken.
And pay a picture in that.
They pack them round a little.
That time Ghana never legalized it.
They pack them round a little, then can't go.
So, you went there, I take a picture, you have
You
no
say
weed
you
and
know
you take a
more
picture.
so. You die they drink.
Take a picture and you don't know what type of strike. And some police going up.
Anyway,
So you
I'm going to play them when they come in here. 3 hours.
You're nada.
Yeah, follow up on it.
Nada.
Take them out, man.
No, that's chicken right now.
You right?
You're right.
You never looking at the sauce now.
Remember say we did turn down. So me want to know if the amount
You like the custard. So you go sample it right first.
No, what we could handle is just the water. What is it we could handle?
Yeah, more coconut milk.
No. Get me have a mix, just the pack one.
Get a big spoon now.
Taste it first. 4 for the grain difference.
I think you can steam now, you know.
Yeah.
It's a bag of white or something, you know.
So the one of the ingredients I don't want to see. You pack it over.
Okay. You know, say you know no back door, you can just make it steam, man. And
Just turn on the stove. Can still take little water because enough mouth. So you make the rice swell.
okay.
You don't store them in rice. You do it like homemade wheat.
Oh, okay.
Up in the middle.
Yeah, man, do you think I watch me watching?
Chicken ready now.
Yeah, man, chicken, I want to start.
We must eat it with something, you know.
Rice still tastes like you can take a little bit more sand.
Okay.
Not too much.
I will.
Don't make some salt.